shelf life and saturation. I'm in the game of fake minds and desperation, regardless of your mindset or innovation. Naturally this industry's prone to fluctuation, misinterpretation, plus the terms you're facing means frustration. I have your mind migrating, the mind's great and shit, and that's a fine line, cause everybody here is clutching for the same lifeline. Feel like Jack Sparrow as I head into the game time. Kilimanjaro awaits us all and that's a steep climb. I'm in three minds, split personalities, fit for every occasion, approach them all casually. I see through glass personas in actuality, reality balances on the tip of personality. Shit, regardless of your skill or technicality, the industry's cutthroat, mate, that's how it has to be. To the grindstone, I'm in my own zone, and I know how it is to be all alone. In the dead zone, I stand on my own, cause I know how it is to be all alone. Queen Badoli, Heckley, I'm a cropper, cause I know how it is to be all alone. Queen in here, I take the zone home, cause I like the way it feels to be all alone. Background tune, all autograph, flowing through the scene with no paddles on this broken raft. They say you're having a laugh, cause I rap Cymraeg. I say meds, ti'n mandall, mae rhedeg yn fy mwaith. A dwi'm yn planio stopio, dwi'm yn planio quitio. Dwi di bod on my source, I'm a rescued on feature. You can close the video, yo, I know I'm minuscule, and remember I'm a determined individual. Shit, take that to the bank, bitch, double it. On my own in the scene, and I'm loving it. I'll be the form on the board on the one-seater. And when I rap native tongue, that's a treat for ya. I trauma, do it all the time, plus a trana. Dividir guana, du gynrychioli in the corner. The zookeeper, in the gogs, yn i'n hogio gwad. And when it comes to minorities, we rap it hard. To the grindstone, I'm in my own zone, and I know how it is to be all alone. In the dead zone, I stand on my own, cause I know how it is to be all alone. Queen Badoli, Heckley, I'm a cropper, cause I know how it is to be all alone. Queen in here, take the zone home, cause I like the way it feels to be all alone. Yeah, majority of people won't like this, cause they can't connect with the words, it feels lifeless. But no one's like this, well, a few like this. I remain positive when it comes to my space. Drop the stylus, newid ieitha, pen lawr, symud ymlaen a teimlo'r effeithio. A dwi'm yn gweithio, weithio, mes fi byth yn stopio. Full pelt ar y mig, ta ma record yn dropio. And some people, well, they prefer double time. And in the scene, this is also known as crime. In the place, with a syllable, when I smash raps on the mic with a killable. Unbelievable, I'm swagger, I'm lyrical, when I step back on the mic, it's a lyrical. But you can't please everybody. Why bother? Everyone's trying to be somebody. Shit, I'll take a backseat, minority. Formula signing out, you can keep your popularity. Nose to the grindstone, I'm in my own zone, and I know how it is to be all alone. In the dead zone, I stand on my own, cause I know how it is to be all alone. Queen Badoli, Heckley, I'm a cropper, cause I